Get it together.
I've never done body shots. Maybe you and I will do that sometime.
No,
Shut up, Donovan.
Plus, with locker box, you have a
Tap
74
him.
with
Tap
Whistle.
him up and come out swinging. Let's go.
He's pretty tall too.
Oh! Damn. Get off of him.
No, it's fine. Let me go.
Oh!
I hold it till he leaves.
Tighten that shit up. Alright. Oh! 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 Alright, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get off, get off.
Good or keep going?
My thing, come on yet.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
Let's go, tap him.
He is. Sorry.
Oh!
Oh, he's going for.
Hold on.
Ding ding.